Hey, glow getters. Welcome to a place where your lipstick fantasies come to life. Today, we're diving into the glamorous world of Bite Lip Lab, where lipstick dreams come true. This isn't just any beauty lab. It's a haven for those who adore all things lipstick. Welcome back to Glowenvy, your go-to spot for beauty experiments, glam adventures, and all things makeup. If you love lipstick as much as I do, hit that subscribe button because today, we're getting hands-on with custom lipstick magic. Imagine stepping into a lab, not for science, but for beauty. Here, creativity and color blend seamlessly to craft the perfect lipstick. The air buzzes with excitement, and the scent of vanilla, mango, and cherry blossom fills the air. It's an olfactory delight that sets the stage for a unique experience. It's a playground for lipstick lovers with endless shades and textures to explore. From matte to glossy, the choices are endless. My heart raced as I approached the counter, my head spinning with color possibilities. The anticipation was electric. Would I go for a bold red, a playful pink? Each shade seemed to tell a different story, or maybe a mysterious purple. The options were as limitless as my imagination. This was my chance to create a lipstick as unique as my fingerprint, a custom blend that would be mine and mine alone. The friendly Bite Beauty alchemist, my guide through this lipstick adventure, presented me with a tray of pre-mixed shades. From nudes to berries to corals, the rainbow of colors was dazzling. We chatted about my preferences, skin tone, and the overall vibe I wanted to achieve. I swatched a few shades on my hand, mesmerized by the way each one transformed under the warm studio lights. The texture was buttery smooth, gliding effortlessly on my skin. It was love at first swipe. Once I narrowed down my top contenders, I felt a rush of excitement. The anticipation of creating something uniquely mine was exhilarating. The real magic began. My Bite Beauty alchemist, a true artist in her own right, with the precision of a chemist, began mixing pigments to create my perfect shade. She explained each step, detailing the importance of each ingredient, adjusting the formula until it matched my vision exactly. We added a dash of shimmer, a touch of depth, and a hint of warmth. It was a meticulous process and a hint of warmth. It was like watching an artist create a masterpiece, one brush stroke at a time. The pigments blended seamlessly, one pigment at a time. To top it off, I got to choose my favorite scent, a burst of fresh mint. The final touch made the experience even more personal and delightful. Finally, the moment I had been waiting for. The anticipation had been building up for weeks. And now it was time to see the result of all the hard work and creativity. My custom lipstick, poured and molded to perfection, was ready. Watching the process was mesmerizing, the precision, the care, and the artistry involved in every step. I watched in awe as the Bite Beauty alchemist presented it to me, nestled in a sleek black case. The presentation was elegant, adding to the sense of occasion. The color was even more stunning than I had imagined, a vibrant, confidence-boosting red with a hint of shimmer. It was the perfect shade, exactly what I had envisioned. Holding my creation in my hand, I felt a surge of excitement. It was more than just makeup. It was a reflection of my personality and style. This wasn't just lipstick. It was a piece of art, a symbol of self-expression, my very own lipstick masterpiece. The journey to create it had been incredible. And the final product was beyond my wildest dreams. If you love this little beauty adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy experiment. See you in the next one.